Okay, this is how to make a water bomb. And you can actually fill it with water. It's a little hard though. See, there's an opening. You just stick your finger in there. You might want to open it with your finger. And you just fill it with water. You fill it with water. And then you can like throw it at someone. And it'll like break apart and splash all over them. Kind of like a water balloon. But like... Okay, so what you need to start with is a sheet of normal printer paper, and and you want to fold it this way, so you have a trapezoid. So you fold that real good, and then you just want to cut along that. And you should get a square. So when you start with your square, if you have origami paper, color side bottom. Ow. Colored side bottom. So now you want to fold, so this edge will line up with that edge. Like this. Like that. And so once you have this right here, you want to fold this edge so it touches that edge. Like this. So you have a small square. Like that. So once you have this small square, you want to lift this up like that, and you should see that it opens. So you want to stick your hand in there and kind of take your pointer finger and just go like this. And then you see that once you open your hand inside, it should start to go out. And you want to encourage it by pushing right here, down. It should go down pretty easily. And then just flatten it all out. I want to do the same thing with the other side. So once you have this triangle right here, make sure that the flaps are at the bottom. The open side is at the bottom. Now take this sheet and you want to line this right here, this edge right there, up with this edge right there. If you don't see that, there should be a crease in the middle. So you want that to be right there. And line this edge with that edge by going like this. And you want to do that with each side. Alright, so once you have this, make sure that these things right here are facing towards you. I'm over here this way, that way. So you want to take the flaps like this, so they're actually away from you. Sorry, they're away from you, and fold this point right here, about in the middle, right there. So this point goes like this in the middle. Do that with each flap. Okay, so once you have this, you want to take this flap right here and fold it down like that to each flap. You have something like a rocket ship. Now you want to take this edge right here and fold it to this line right there. By doing that is just to fold it like this. I'll do that with each flap, blah blah blah. So once you have this, we just want to interlock all these flaps so they're like this. Make sure that these aren't up like that. You want to make sure that they're down. So just, so unfold one of them, and there, if you take like your scissors or something and just stick it right there, there should be like almost a pocket. You just want to stick each little triangle inside that pocket, like that. So do that with each triangle. Alright, so now we have one last step. So if you've made it to this, you've done a great job and you are almost done. So now, if you see that where we just interlocked our sides, so there should be like a triangle. If you don't see that, and then like that, like a diamond shape. And then there should be a crease right there, but on the side that you don't want to do this is that there will be an open flap right there. So now take this, and you see that this side is closed, so you want to flip it over to the open flap side and just put it up to your mouth. And just blow it up. So once you fill it with water, you can just stick your finger in it and then put a little trickle like that and fill it with water and then throw it at someone. So that's how to make it.